was quite a big ceremony at Amman to mark the assumption of the rank of Air Commodore, RAF, by the Amir Abdullah of Transjordan. A group captain holding the local Royal Air Force command presented the Amir with a pennant. After courtesies in the form of an address and the ruler's reply had been exchanged, there was a drive past by armoured cars. And a fly past by Lysanders. The importance of our close cooperation with Transjordan is of course quite obvious in view of the Nazis' Near Eastern ambitions. In Albania, the heroic Greek army continues to provide surprises